Thank you so much, Jim Gordon. Your wife just got laid off. Okay. We followed your advice to stop stressing, trust the process, and even took a luxury vacation to reset. Months later, there's still no new job. What should we do differently now? Okay. What I'm hearing in this question is there's something inherently wrong with what's going on. Okay. So when we say to stop stressing, what we really want to lean into is exactly as this is good. Okay. This is very critical. Exactly as this is good. Not, I'm going to calm down so we can get out of this situation. Okay. But exactly as this is good. So were I in your shoes, and I am not, but were I in your shoes, I would be thinking about how are we okay now? How is everything actually working out now? Why is right now better than what I'm thinking her having a job might be? Okay, so we are able to spend more time together. We have more time to relax. We're able to get more clarity. We're being supported in this time. We have a place to live. We have the ability to eat. We are okay as we are. So the focus is without the job, I still have. This is a having situation. Now, this is important because when you project I have, now will be attracted more. Okay, so let me just give you another example. Okay. Because this is on the top of my mind. And it has to do with this guy that I'm dating too. Because one of the reasons I think he and I get along so well is that we both kind of understand some of these concepts and we both navigate our reality similarly. Okay. So we met and he has this lucrative job. Okay. But he doesn't like it. Okay. He doesn't like his job and he's been thinking about quitting. Okay. He's been thinking about quitting this lucrative job, has nothing else lined up. Okay. But he has a few dollars in the bank. He's got a place to stay. And he just decides, I'm just going to go ahead and quit my job. So we did. Now, most people, when they quit their job, they start to freak out. Okay. Where is the money going to come? Oh my God, how are we going to get a job? That's what most people will do. And so a lot of times losing a job will cause this kind of stress and it can prolong the situation. Now, in his situation, he just seems relaxed and he's enjoying his time. He's having fun. And so he quit his job. And because he quit his job, he lost his health insurance benefits. But fortunately for him, he's in the military. So he's like, you know what? It's fine. I'm just going to go trot on down to the VA and get my insurance kicked up. So he's quit his job. And because he's quit his job, he feels like he should go start his VA benefits. He goes on down to the VA and he's there all day. Okay. And he comes back and he's like, you're not going to believe it. Okay. I just found out I qualify for all of these month-to-month benefits I didn't know that I qualified for. At first, it looked like it was going to be $2,100 a month. Now it's like $4,200 a month. And in addition to that, he's going to get back paid for all the months he hasn't been getting them. So quitting his job and being cool about it and enjoying it allowed him to line up with this giant amount of cash and ongoing benefits that he wouldn't have had. Okay. But the reason why it worked for him, I believe, is because he didn't have that stressed out experience. He's genuinely enjoyed the time off. So he looked at the time off as having, and he was able to attract more. I hope that's helpful. Okay. All right, guys. Another reminder, if you have not yet, please make sure to go ahead and try out my manifesting test. It is free. It's only 5 minutes and it will show you that you really are the creator of your own reality. Okay. So I've designed this test where you can put something out and watch it come back with zero effort. So you can take that test at any time at manifestingtest.com. Again, that's manifestingtest.com. In addition to that, if you have not yet, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram and also on Facebook, and of course, turn on your notifications. It is my plan to be back next week. So I should be back same time, same place, which would be Monday of next week. So I look forward to seeing you guys next week, but that is going to do it for today. Thank you so much for coming along. And of course, I look